Hello and welcome back to my channel, my Dentures adventure. So it's been nearly 4 weeks now, 28 days since I got my dentures, and I'm pretty happy with them. They seem to be bedding in very well, and I seem to be getting more used to them every day. I've started to experiment with what foods I can eat and what foods I can't eat, and there's very few foods I can't eat. I've tried pretty much everything. I had a quarter pounder cheeseburger the other day, and I had no trouble eating that at all, which was good. And I've had some KFC, so no trouble with fried chicken off the bone, what do you call it? And so it's been I've got a sore. I won't show it to you, but it's just in the middle of my lower gum, and that's been a bit annoying, to be honest. But it's nothing that salt water doesn't get rid of very well. And I've also had problems with salivating too much. That's gone down a bit, but sucking on a mint or a sweet or anything, that'll sort that out as well. So I'm all round pretty pleased, really. I wouldn't hesitate in getting them again, definitely, without problem. And I'm glad that I made the decision to have my teeth pulled. Wasn't of any option, really. They were in a terrible state, but I'm glad that I've had them pulled, and that even though I was 4 months without any teeth at all, I can now eat and enjoy eating as well. And one thing I thought would happen with it covering my upper palate, I didn't think I'd be able to taste things as well, but that hasn't been a problem either. Taste things just as well. So it's all good, really. And if you're thinking about if you're on the road to thinking about getting dentures, then I'll say go ahead. I think it's the best thing for anybody, really. And my denture adventure continues, and I'll start showing you things that I'm eating soon. So please subscribe, it helps me a lot if you do, and like, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.